让我下来跟你们拿好不好
Okay, it's really freaky, you know, to see someone on the video clip and then they are just standing here.
Aren't you used to that already?
Yeah, I don't know. Initially it's a bit freaky. You know, when you stand in front of the TV and you watch yourself.
Yes, up till now I still feel it's freaky.
Up till now, my dog still doesn't get it, you know.
Your dog?
My dog, he watches TV together with me. Yeah. So anyway, we heard your message loud and clear over there, but maybe some of them didn't really hear it that well because they are busy ogling. So perhaps you would like to reinstate your lines. Yeah.
Okay, as Michelle, Darren and Brian mentioned earlier, these recycle bins are not actually for food or cigarette butts or anything like that, because it actually contaminates the recyclables and it makes it very, very hard to recycle it. So if you just see the dustbin labeled plastics, paper or cans or cardboard, put the recyclable items in the proper bins, in the proper labels, and make our environment a better place, and do not contaminate the bins. All this recycling bins has been very well painted with lots of passion and desire to actually give a message to you guys to recycle, reduce and reuse.
So remember not to misuse them.
Misuse it, yeah.
Well, most importantly, after you hear this wonderful message, we learn more about recycling. And now I would like to present you something that is worth recycling over and over and over every night before you go to sleep. And that is another song by Darren.
I thought it'd be Brian
No. Because I kind of like the following song that he's gonna bring because we heard it yesterday during the rehearsal. Yeah. And then it's a very interesting title.
It is.
It's very contradictory.
Correct.
Yeah, and it's called